Hello friends, welcome to my channel. So today we are going to discuss problem from the LeetCode weekly contest 205. So this is a problem, number of ways where square of a number is equal to product of two numbers. So what we are given here, so initially we are given two integer arrays nums1 and nums2, and we have to form the triplets in a such a way that there are two types of triplets. So if you consider triplet ijk, so it can be like if you consider the element from the nums1 whose square is equal to the pair of j and k from nums2, or in type 2 it can be like element from the nums2 array and its square is equal to pair from the nums1 array, that is a j and k, so that its product has to be equal to the square of the another array's element. Okay, so we have to count the number of triplets we can form. So here idea is very simple. If we look at the example 1, so 7 4 from the nums1 and 5 2 8 9 from the nums2. So if we do like this, first if we calculate the square from both the arrays for each of the elements, so it is a 49, this is a 16, here 25 4, then this is a 64, and this is a 81. Now if we take like here we can get 49 and 16. Now if we take pair from these two, this array from the nums2, so like 2 comma 8, that is a 2 into 8 16. So I can have one triplet like element from the nums1, that is a 4 square, that is 16, and the elements or the pair from the nums2, that is a 2 comma 8 of its product, which gives me 16 is equal to 16. So that's why the output is 1 over here. So the same formula we have to apply over here. So let's take a look at the code now. So initially I have sorted both the arrays for the simplicity, then because it can help me to optimize my solution. Then after, what I'm doing is here I have defined the two maps for one for the nums1 and another for the nums2. Okay, then for each of the element from the first array, I am calculating its square and storing into the hash map, and if I find the occurrence repeated occurrence, then I increment it by +1. Okay, similarly I am doing the same procedure for the nums2 array. Then what I am doing is here I am checking so I have repeated this procedure for the array 1 and for array 2. So I am taking the pairs from the array 2, that is a j and k. I am taking the product of each of the element, and I am checking whether such kind of product is already present in the hash map 1 for the nums array 1. If it is present, then I can say like there is a square of an element whose it is matching with the pair from the nums2 array. So that's the simple trick we need to perform for the the nums1 array, and the same for the nums2 array. So here first we iterated through the nums2 array and collected out the pairs and check against the hash map 1. Similarly we are doing it for the collecting the pairs from the nums1 and checking its product is already present in the hash map 2. If it is present, then every time we are incrementing the how many times it is repetitive in particular hash map, so that is the count of it, and finally I am displaying the answer. So the solution is fully accepted on the LeetCode. So you can see it has covered all the 92 test cases over here. So you can refer this solution, and if you like my video, please like to my video and subscribe to my channel to get the further updates. Thanks for watching.